Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to fix action block problem in your Instagram account. And also I will tell you what all are a mistake that we are doing due to which we are facing action block problem in our Instagram account. And also I have a two instant solution with the help of which you can remove action block from your Instagram account. So first of all, go with other method, and if everything you have tried and nothing is working for you, then go with this two alternate instant solution. Try any one, which one you think it is suitable for you. So what is action block? Action block is it is a kind of punishment which is given by Instagram to a user if we do any mistake which is against Instagram. So basically 90% of people face this problem just because they have done some mistake. But there are also 10% users who have not done any mistake, but even they are facing this action block problem just because Instagram is changing their update day by day, and all those updates are not working properly. So now there are basically five things that you should take care so that you will be not blocked by Instagram as action block. So first thing, the first mistake that we are doing is the follow and unfollow trick. So the follow and unfollow trick, many of us are using to get a followers. But before it was fine, but nowadays due to a change in algorithm, so whenever you do like mass follow and unfollow daily, so Instagram is detecting such activities as it was done by any tools or any application. So Instagram is completely against about this. So do not follow and unfollow, do not do this method. And the second one is using third-party application or a website to get a likes and a followers in your Instagram post or in your Instagram account. And also the third one is many of us are using a third-party application to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. And the fourth one is we are doing a same comment copy paste in multiple accounts. Like whenever we are commenting on some account or in some post, then we are copy paste, doing a copy paste. So this is also one of the reason you are getting an action block. And the last one is, this is a very common problem, like whenever we are using Instagram, what we are doing, sometimes we are just liking 10 to 15 posts just in 5 to 6 seconds. So whenever we like a post on Instagram, try to keep 2 to 3 seconds gap between each post whenever you like something, because there is a limitation that a particular number of likes you can only do in a 1 hour. Like try to like maximum 100 post in 1 hour, but you should also keep a gap of 2 to 3 seconds whenever you post one, then whenever you try to post second post. So this is a five things you should take care. So now I will tell you the five solutions or five options that you can try. Like the first one is switch your mobile data. Like if you use your Instagram with a Wi-Fi, then try to use it with a mobile data, because whenever Instagram block you as action block, that means they have blocked your IP address. So same thing, if you will log in your Instagram account from your friend phone or your family, any family member, in your any family member phone, then you will find that you will be able to like, you will be able to comment. Just from your mobile phone you will face this problem. This is only because they have blocked your IP address. So you can change alternate mobile data. Like if you use mobile data, then go with a Wi-Fi. And the second one is, do not do any activities for 72 hours. So you need to log out your Instagram account from Instagram application and do not do any activities like checking who like or liking any post or commenting any post or testing it is working now or not. So do not do any activities for 72 hours. And the third point is link your Instagram account with other social media platform. Like there are lots of options like link with Facebook, link with Twitter. So when you link with other social media platform, then Instagram will think this is not a fake account, this is not an account which is used by automation tools, this is used by human being, so your account will be safe. Fourth one is uninstall all those third-party applications where you have done login to get a likes and followers in your Instagram account, and also change your password, Instagram password, because once you have login to such application, they will save your credential in the server. So you have to change your password. And the last thing is there is a one option of report a problem. So you can go with setting, and there you will find the report a problem and take a screenshot of action block and report a problem to Instagram that you have not done any mistake, and even you are finding this issue in your Instagram account. So this thing you need to do it daily 2 to 3 times, then only there will be a chances of getting resolved. So now the two I have said about the two instant solution. So this is a one that I am using right now. I was also facing an block problem because I was doing a lots of comment, like 50 to 100 comments every 10 minutes. So I was blocked. So what you can do, the first thing is, if this is possible for you, you need to factory reset your mobile phone, because they have blocked your IP address. So once you will factory reset your mobile phone, and after that once you will log in your Instagram account, you will find everything is working fine. You will not find any action block issue in your account. But if you find this is not possible for you right now, and you want to use your Instagram account also, then you can download the application from Play Store as a parallel space, and from there you can log in your Instagram account and you can use it very easily, and everything will work fine. But there is some issue, some bug in this application. You will face a problem, but everything will work fine. And nowadays parallel space application is also available in inbuilt mobile phone. So this will not work in inbuilt parallel space. You need to download a separate parallel space from Play Store, and from there you have to log in and you have to use it. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.